lower anterior missing X 4-2 is mobile. We are planning for 4-2 extraction and 2 implant. We'll see the panoramic view. If you see, it may look like we can place 3 implant, but it is very difficult and not a good option also, because if you place 3 implant, either the implant will be close to the adjacent natural tooth or the implant will be close to each other, leading to failure. So 2 implant is not only enough, they are necessary for success. This is the cross section, buccolingual cross section. The bone is good, the bone quality is good, crestal bone is also okay. So we are planning for using bioline compressive implant. We'll see the post-op now. We have placed only 2. So we'll see the cross section now. This is 3.75 into 11.5. This is 3.75 into 10. The left side implant is close to the lingual plate, but that is okay, no perforation. This 2 is more than enough.